Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Adiato here, Naturallyads on YouTube. So in today's video, I'm planning for the week beginning August 8th to the 14th in my 2022 memory planner using this kit from SBC. It was her anniversary mystery. What year? I do not remember, but it was like the Y2K themed kit. So I paired it with the foil bundle that came with it, which was in a hollow, and I did add some like sparkly hollow scripts if I needed to, but for the most part I use hollow and black scripts. But yeah, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. Oh, looking at the screen, I realized I also used some pink hollow luxe underlays from PlanWithAds and some pink hollow like smiley face washi, just to add in some pink. So I do have some pink hollow icons in here too now that I'm looking at the spread. I think that's everything. But anyways, I'm going to let you guys watch me lay down the base, which was probably going to be done in a second. And then I'll be back for the day by day. Okay, so let's start off with the sidebar. I noted that Malik had outgrown his night next to me bassinet thing, and he had to be in our bed because we hadn't moved yet, so we couldn't fit his actual cot. So I used this glam planner sticker with a baby co-sleeping and a Malik script, which is a custom script for Naturallyads to note he was in our bed. And then I noted it was week 25 of my maternity leave with a maternity leave sticker from Plan Ella and a script from PMD stickers. So let's start with Monday. I'll use a sleeping mask icon from the kit and a tired AF script from from Happy Sticker Designs to note that I was tired AF. I do PR for Happy Sticker Designs, so use my code ADIATO15 to get 15% off your order and my freebie. Then noted some cuddle time with the sticker from PlanWithAds and a script from the foil bundle. I noted making some breakfast with the sticker from Carly Plants. Then I noticed a note. Why do I keep saying noticed? I noted getting a Tesco delivery with this scribbler from SBC and a grocery delivery script from Carly Plants. And then noted taking a nap with Malik with this glam planner sticker and a nap script from SBC and a with Malik custom script from this one is from Randy.Plans. Then noted having some playtime, which I noted with this Tamagotchi sticker from the doodle sheet that came with the kit. I then used a planner icon from the foil bundle to note a plan with me binge, and then TV icon from the kit and foil bundle to note watching Heart of Dixie. On to Tuesday, I noted having some tea and breakfast with this apple blossom print sticker and a tea time script from the Honeybee shop. I then noted taking some pictures of my son with a camera icon from the kit and foil bundle and a with Malik script from Randy.Plans. The picture was for his passport application, so I used a computer icon to note that I put in his passport application. I then used this pencil icon from Paper Candy Art to note I requested a commission of like if you see my YouTube picture on my Instagram picture, that was what I commissioned then. I then used a envelope sticker from the PlanWithAds foil bundle to note a post office run to post his birth certificate for the passport application. Then noted taking a walk to the post office. I just noted after because it was bigger with a Benevich Creation sticker and a walk script from Temp Loves Craft. I noted that we went to the park afterwards with this sticker from Fox and Cactus and I parked a script from the Honeybee shop. I did having some playtime with the swing sticker. He went on the swings this day with a swing sticker from PlanWithAds and a playtime script from McPlans. I noted getting a bunch of different drinks on the post office with this drink icon from the foil bundle. Then I noted getting some takeout with this chips icon also from the foil bundle, and then I used a TV icon from the foil bundle to note watching Heart of Dixie, and then I used this Game Boy sticker from the kit doodle sheet to note my husband gaming, and that script is the custom script from McPlans. On Wednesday, I used the sticker from the Honeybee shop to note being tired, And then I noted that this was the day he was sleeping in our bed with this glam planner sticker. So it's a smaller version of what was in the sidebar. I noted having some breakfast with this apple blossom print sticker and a tea time script from what is this shop called? The Honeybee shop. Why did I forget that? I then noted that stuff was going on in TRDO with this angel wings icon from from SBC. I noted my husband gaming again with another Game Boy icon from the kit's doodle sheet and a script from Make Plans. I noted a Plan With Me binge with a sticker sheet icon from the foil bundle, and then I noted watching Heart of Dixie with a TV icon from Planner Hannah. And then I noted that Malik was climbing everywhere with this naked baby running around sticker from Believer's Creation. I thought that was a cute way to mark that. On Thursday, I noted that he was in our bed again with another sticker from Glam Planner. Then I noted breakfast with the apple blossom print sticker and a tea time script from the Honeybee shop. I noted having some Malik cuddles with a Make Plan sticker and a custom script from Rounded Up Plans. Noted more playtime with a Tamagotchi from the doodle sheet and a playtime script from Make Plans. Then I noted a Plan With Me binge with a YouTube play button sticker from the foil bundle, and then a TV from Plan Hannah to note the Heart of Dixie. Then I noted that what was out of stock? Something was out of stock and I was upset about it. Oh yes, I noted before that my husband bought my push present, and then this day he got an email saying that there was a glitch on the website and it was actually out of stock. So I just requested the money for it instead. So I used a shock sticker from Whimsy to note that. Then I noted being a Moody Madam for another reason, probably with this Sweet Ever's paper sticker and a Moody Madam script from Adore Blame Designs. On to Friday, I noted some cuddles with a sticker from PlanWithAds and a cuddle script from Make Plans. I noted some playtime with this Glam Planner sticker and a script from Make Plans. And then I noted some breakfast with this egg sticker from Cardi Plans. I noted a Plan With Me binge with a computer icon from Planner Hannah. At the bottom of the day, I noted getting some takeout with this cutlery sticker from Planner Hannah. And I used another Planner Hannah TV to note watching Heart of Dixie. I noted my husband gaming with another Game Boy sticker from the doodle sheet and a Babe Gaming custom script from Make Plans. And then finally, I noted binge watching Heart of Dixie all night long with this paper shy sticker of like a girl in bed snacking and binge watching something. On to Saturday, I used a pillow icon from the kit and foil bundle to note being tied as a mother with a script from the Honeybee shop. I then noted that it was a hot day with a stick with a panko girl with a fan. I noted trying to make some slush poppies but failing with this like summer drink sticker from Fox and Cactus. Then noted my son playing again with his Tamagotchi sticker from the kit and a playtime script from Make Plans. I then noted watching the Virgin River because I had finished Heart of Dixie this night, and apparently it was like suggested that Virgin River wouldn't be liked by anybody that likes Heart of Dixie. So I decided to try it out for myself. The CV icon is from Plan Hannah, if I didn't already say. I then used this Naomi Love Designs, I think, sticker to note washing my hair. The washing my hair script is from Cardi Plans. I used a sticker from Planner Face to note that I received my commissioned artwork that I had commissioned on Tuesday. And then making an Instagram post about the commission piece with an Instagram icon from the foil bundle. On to Sunday, I used a bed from the foil bundle and kit to note being sleepy. I used a planner from the kit to note a plan with a binge, and then I used a purse from the doodle sheet to note getting ready. I used a car icon from Paper Candy Art and with my love script from the foil bundle to note going to my cousin's house. I used a grocery cart icon from Planner Hannah and a grocery run script from SBC to note having to stop by the grocery shop to get some stuff. I think we needed nappies and something like that. Then use a heart icon from what's it called? The foil bundle and a family time script from Planner Face to note spending time with some family. Then noted getting home and my husband gaming with a Tamagotchi sticker from the kit, like a doodle sheet and a Babe Gaming custom script from Make Plans. And finally I noted watching more Virgin River with a TV icon from Planner Hannah. So that was the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it and comment down below what you thought of this spread. And I shall see you in the next one. Bye.